Good morning, dear students. Class 6 Maths, Chapter 17, Quadrilateral. Note, dear students, write all definitions of quadrilateral, such as adjacent sides, opposite sides, adjacent angles, opposite angles, convex quadrilateral, concave quadrilateral, interior and exterior of a quadrilateral, angles of property of a quadrilateral, and various types of quadrilateral from book in your geometry copy. Now you come on exercise 17A. Question number 1. In the adjacent figure, a quadrilateral has been shown. Name first its diagonals. Second question, two pairs of opposite sides. Third, two pairs of opposite angles. Fourth, two pairs of adjacent sides. Fifth, two pairs of adjacent angles. In the given figure A, B, C, D, solution first. AC and BD are two diagonals. Second, AB and DC, and in other bracket AD and BC. Third answer, angle A, angle C, and angle B and angle D. Fourth, AB and BC in one bracket, in another bracket AD and DC. Now fifth, angle A and angle B in one bracket, and angle D and angle C in another bracket. Now you come on question number 3. Two sides of a parallelogram are in the ratio 4 to 3. If its perimeter is 56 centimeter, find the length of its sides. Therefore, in quadrilateral A, B, C, D, left sides are 3x and 4x. Therefore, perimeter of a quadrilateral is equal to the sum of all sides. Therefore, we can write it 4x plus 3x plus 4x plus 3x, which will be equal to 14x. Therefore, x is equal to 56, which is given already as a perimeter. Therefore, x is equal to 56 upon 4. It will be equal to it will be equal to 4. Now, again I am telling you x is equal to 56 upon 14, which will be equal to 4. Now, putting the value of x in 4x, therefore 4x into 4, which will be 16. Now 3x is equal to 3 into 4, which will be 12. Now AB is equal to DC is equal to 16 centimeter, and AD is equal to BC is equal to 12 centimeter. Now homework, do all problems of exercise 17A in geometry copy. Thank you.